Hello guys and welcome back to this video. It's been a while. We talked about Bloom on this channel, all right, and a lot of us are actually giving up on some of these Telegram airdrops, right? A lot of us are giving up on this. Currently Bloom actually started a season 2. So if I go to how it works right here, all you need to do on the season 2, right, of the Bloom airdrop or to qualify for airdrop is just to buy and sell on their Memepad. All right, I'll be showing you how to do all of this in this video. The reason why I have to make this update video on Bloom is because I was part of the live stream that they just held not long ago on Telegram. Okay, so I was part of that live stream on Telegram, and a lot of persons, over close to 1 million persons, actually joined the live stream. And some of the updates, some of the things they said actually encourages me to say, oh, I've forgotten about this airdrop, so let me go and look at it right now. All right, I've not done anything on the season 2 personally. I've not done anything on the season 2, but I was actually very active last year when this all started and the rest. So here you still need to play games if you want to. You can see that I've accumulated about 305 of this game, which I have not played and all of that. But what the season 2 requires is that you come in here and just buy and sell. So if I go to the Memepad auction right here, okay, there is one that is called the Memepad. If I go there and click on it right here, you see you have the option to launch a token. All right, so if I go to the end option, let me just show you. All right, if I come in here, let's say on chain, I think is on chain. Yeah, so you can see here on the on-chain activities or the on-chain tax, if you trade any meme coin, you get 1,000 points. All right, and then if you launch a meme coin, you get 2,000 points of the Bloom token, right? So I want to launch a coin. I want to launch a coin, and I'm going to let you guys know so that you can buy and sell those coins and be able to stand a chance to qualify, because the season 2 requires you to interact with their Memepad, and all you need to do is to come in here to see a particular token. For instance, if you want to launch a token on the Bloom Memepad, you just go ahead and click on launch a token right here. Then you can go and proceed. Okay, you can just click to proceed. You need to give the token a name. All right, and then you need to give it a ticker, and then you give it a description, and then you continue. But to be able to do this, you can equally upload an icon here. To be able to do this, you need to have some tone in your wallet to be able to actually do this, right? So I will walk you step by step on how to go about that. I just need some tone on my wallet to go ahead. I think I can't remember the exact tone. Is it $20 worth of tone or 20 tone that you need to be able to do that? I'll find that once I'm trying to launch my own token, right? But right now what you can do is to actually be trade. For instance, this Pandai that just got listed is about 191k in volume, all right, in market cap rather. All right, so you can come in here. If for instance I go ahead and click on that, I have the option to buy this coin right here. Okay, so I can go ahead and look at the chart right here and say, oh, I can buy this coin. All right, I'm looking at it on the 1 minute time frame. You can look at it on the 5 minutes. Let's do 15 minutes time frame and all of that. We're currently at a resistance. Maybe if you pull back, maybe at 180, 160 or 170, I can buy. Now if I want to buy, I just go ahead and click on the buy option. So I need tone. All right, I need a tone token to be able to trade on this platform, right? So I can buy. I can just put any amount here and go ahead and buy. All right, and yeah, that is just, you can buy 1 tone, 5 tone, 10 tone, or you can use max. If I use max, it won't go through because the gas fee, I think the gas fee, I saw gas fee somewhere, the slippage is about 10% and all of that. I saw gas fee somewhere there, right? You can see it say top up. It won't go through because the gas fee is almost about 0.3 tone and all of that. Then if you want to sell or whatever token you buy here, once you see that it has increased, for instance this one just went up and all of that, let's assume that you bought around this area, you just come in here to sell. All right, when you sell, you are selling it back into your tone token. Okay, you sell it back into your tone token. You can sell 25, 50, or you can use max, okay, and sell everything you have on your wallet. Some tokens are actually done well. Some that I've been tracking, I think there is one that I've been tracking currently is about $1 million plus. Yeah, I think is this particular one, these rules here. Okay, I think I saw this thing, I can't remember, was it 300 or 400k and the rest. So it means if I've bought this as at when I saw it at that lower than this 1.7 million, that I would have made some profit right now, right? So it's just like trading meme coin, but I'm going to do a step-by-step guide on how to select the meme coins, or trading meme coins on Solana blockchain, right? That's what a lot of us are used to. So I'm going to do a step-by-step guide on how to do this, all right, and how to buy and sell on this platform. If you're not careful, you just buy and then eventually the stuff goes down. Okay, a lot of persons have made money from this stuff, and you too can come in here and start trading as well. All right, you can come in here and start trading as well. And when I want to buy, I use the spotlight option. All these ones that are on the spotlight, those are the ones that I pay attention to. You can see this thing has actually grown to 15 million market cap. All right, you see this one here to 1.7, and this one will eventually get to 1 million market cap very soon. All right, so these are some of the tokens or projects you need to buy. One thing you should notice that this is not any financial advice, right? You can buy this thing as a meme coin and it goes to zero and all of that. So buying and selling right here will qualify you for whatever points or whatever the criteria would be, or for the season 2. All right, so you need to be active right here. You need to be active right here. Now, for those of you who have not joined Blum yet, who have not started mining Blum yet, if you can actually trade, if you can get some Tone token into your Telegram wallet and start buying and selling, you can still qualify to earn some points, right? And then you can complete tasks too. You can complete some tasks too to be able to earn points. So if I come to the end option right here, you see a lot of tasks. I think I need to look for the video codes of all of this, right? Yeah, you need to get some tags. For instance, if I put a video code for this fake AI versus real AI, I can get 250 Blum points. If I do for season 1 first giveaway, I can do for 200. So you can just earn free points right here, just watching this video and then inputting the codes for all of this. You can earn Blum points and all of that, right? And you can come in here, I think every 24 hours or thereabout, where you say Blum points, you can come in here and click on, you know, mine and all of that, and you start earning that points every 24 hours aside the buy and sell. But to be able to qualify for whatever the criteria will be for season 2, you need to buy and sell on the Memepad, or you can use their trading bot which they just created too. Okay, you can launch your own token, you can trade on the Memepad, or you can use the trading bot. The trading bot allows you to equally trade Solana meme coins as well, and then as well as those on, you know, the Tone blockchain as well. All right, so I just needed to update you. If you have not been using Blum, if you have forgotten about it just like I did, please revisit it right now, because the airdrop may be coming anytime this year. All right, so in case something good comes out of this, all right, so that you'll be able to qualify to get the tokens. All right, so that is a quick update. If there's anything that you don't get clear, you can always use the comment section. By the way, if you want to learn how to trade, you want to take advantage of all of our free signals, join us on Telegram. The link will be on my bio or in the video description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.